welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. We're sitting in a different spot today. I got my gorgeous flowers that came in. You can kind of see them. There they are. They came in from the Books company. That's just one of them. I have a bright orange one in the other room, another vase of it. But today, this came in. I got my Fabfitfun style box. Now, I just sent this back. So I thought I had this set up so that it was coming once a month. But I've already had one, I believe, in January. And I'm pretty certain that, like, as soon as they get one back, they're just charging me another $20 and mailing it out. I have a time limit, so I have to send this back. So I'm going to do this. You might hear some noise in the background because Robert's going to be cooking in a minute, but I need to get it back. And it was really bad timing financially for me. So I hope there's nothing in here I love, because I have no money. In fact, Chopper is sick and we have to take him for the vet tomorrow, who told me they told us they had no, well, it's a long story, no appointments. Anyway, he's being seen at 9:30 in the morning. He has something really wrong with his ear. He's been crying. He's got, it's like a gooey, sticky, when you look in his ear, it's all red and inflamed, and he's holding his head off to one side. So say a little prayer for Chop Chop, because he hates the vet. He gets really scared. So Robert's taking him tomorrow. But anyway, back to the video. If you didn't know, Fabfitfun has a style box, a clothing box, and I believe it's $20 to get this one. And you get a stylist just like Stitch Fix. Usually you get 5 or 6 items. And if you keep it all, I think you get a 20% discount with them. So here's what the inside looks like. And they have gotten a whole lot better. I'm gonna take the bundle out. They've gotten a whole lot better from when I first started doing these videos. So here, well, I was gonna show you the bundle, but half of this stuff just fell out. So you do get a mailer. Their mailer, though, is through FedEx. Not my favorite. I would like to see them use Priority. It's a whole lot easier for most people. So we're going to get in here, but let's see what our stylist has to say. Okay, so I have Whitney. I think I've had Whitney before. They keep switching me because I haven't kept a lot, but I'm not keeping a lot now because I don't have money. But so she sent some different things, and I will actually go through this and the prices at the end. Oh, goodness. This entire box, if I keep the whole thing, is only $88 for this entire box after discounts. That's incredible. Let's see if we like what we're being sent. Okay, so the first thing I see I'm very interested in, it's like a spring, looks like a midi skirt. I don't know if this is going to fit. It looks awful small right here. It's a medium. I bet you I need a large because my hips are big. But it's a beautiful lilac shade for the spring. We are nowhere near me being able to wear this. It is so freaking cold right now. This might be a nice spring piece. It really might be. We'll see. But I think it's going to be too small to get over my hips. And also, I don't think I'm quite in the market to buy spring clothes. I'm actually just starting to really bundle up here in Virginia. So, all right, so there was that. Then, what is this? Cardigan? I don't know. What is it? I think this is a cardigan. This is by Summer and Rose, and it's the Avalon Drape Front Thermal Cardigan. So this is a nice warm, it's already got little pieces on it. It's a collector of dust and stuff, but it's, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the texture, but there's like lines on it. It's very, very, very warm. Oh, everything's falling down. And so it has like a drape front, so it kind of looks like a straight drape down though. So we'll look at that together. We'll see what that looks like on. And I dropped this on the floor, so this is going to have to be lint rolled because I just dropped it on the rug where the dog was laying, and I think I have this already. This is also by Summer and Rose, and I'm pretty sure that I have this as a black. I know I have it in gray for sure. Ignore the dog hair you're going to see because I have to lint roll this now. But anyway, it's a wrap front. I might have this in black. I might have it in black and gray. So I'm pretty sure that I have this. It's like a wrap front sweater. I'm almost positive I have it actually. But it might be a different brand. So we'll look at that. We'll try it on. We'll see what we get. And then looks like I got 3 more things here. The next thing is by Collective Concepts, and it is the Titania flutter sleeve top. this is pretty. So this is just a navy polka dot flutter sleeve top. Oh, it's tie front right there. So that kind of makes it more casual, like that'd be cute with like, in the summer, this would be cute with a pair of white jean shorts or white jeans. But it's got this cute little flutter sleeve, which I really do like a flutter sleeve. And you can see it's sort of got like little confetti dots all over it in different colors. So that's kind of cute. So that one is a maybe. Well, I say that, but I don't know what any of it costs. I can't believe I got a whole box for 88 bucks, so that's insane. And then this feels wonderful. Is this a cardigan too? No, this is sweater. Oh, my dreamer sweaters. All right, I gotta look upstairs. I don't know if I have I think I do have a white one. I think I have this too. That's the hard thing about shopping for people who shop so much. They have everything. So this is a small medium. These run big. These are fabulous to wear like with leggings. I actually have my wine colored Spanx on right now, and this would look really good with them, but I might have white. I gotta check and see which ones I have and what I don't have. So we'll try that on. And then the last item I have looks like a necklace with turquoise. It is a sterling silver plated stone drop necklace. Let me see if I can open this. This looks kind of pretty and fun. Sometimes their jewelry is really reasonable and sometimes it's really expensive. The last time I got a piece of jewelry from here, I didn't keep it because I don't know if you guys remember, but the last box, it was all broken up. Or not broken, like clumped up in a knot, and I couldn't undo it. This is neat. So at the top, it's got this like little diamond slider piece, and then it hangs down, and it has a really pretty piece of turquoise. And I'm a December baby, and turquoise is one of our birthstone colors. So that's really pretty. I do like that. All right. Well, that's all of our pieces that we got in the box. I'm impressed that the overall whole box is only 88 bucks for all the pieces. That's the kind of shopping. If they do that, that's really going to kind of set them apart, I think, from some of the other boxes. I do have a referral code for you guys, and I think it gives you $10 or $15 off of your box, so I'll go ahead and put my link below if you want to use it. But there's a little bit of a closer look at the little stone on there. Okay, so that's it. We're going to just hang tight, and I'll be right back with a try on. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I have two items on here. I have the necklace on, which I have to say is quite beautiful, and I have the cardigan on. The cardigan is long on me, which, I mean, nothing new there, but you can roll these up. It is a very warm cardigan. I will tell you, this is a perfect like winter cardigan. What I will tell you, you can probably see right here the more of the texture of it. See this? See this? This is nitro, and nitro has these tiny little fine hairs that get stuck in fabrics and in pillows, and it's really hard to get any of his hair out of things. So this is a collector of those things, but I still love it. So I still really like it. It is, I'm just wearing what I had on from work today. So I did keep this, by the way, that shirt from Stitch Fix. No pockets. I typically do like my cardigans to have a pocket, but it's nice. It comes down. It's a nice black cardigan, and then, yeah, I mean, it's nice. Let me turn around and show you the back. I'm looking up here. I have some dusting to do. And then the necklace, let me see if I can zoom you guys in a little bit here. All right, so you've got this like little slide thing, and it just sort of defaults to a choker style. Very pretty. And you have this little piece of like sort of just dangling, whatever you call it, turquoise that's coming down on it. So look at, you can see that's not nitro. That's just like a piece of, I don't know what that is, like a piece of something, but every single thing is going to show up on this sweater, everything. So that's the only issue with it. So anyway, there's the first two pieces. I'll keep the necklace on for the rest of the try on. I do like this sweater, but being that it is so, it's really heavy too. It's very warm. We'll see what the price is. I mean, if I take stuff like this to work, I just take a thing to work with me, like a lint roller with me. It's just sometimes nitro's hairs just won't come out of certain things. They get in there, and you almost have to get like a tweezer to get them out. So we'll look at this and think about it and see what we think. But I do really love the necklace. So let's get to the rest of the try-on. Okay, so now I have on the white Dreamers. I love this. I have 3 or 4 of these Dreamers. I typically wear these either with jeans or with, because they're so long and they are oversized. So if you ask for Dreamers, make sure you ask for a size down normal. This is a small medium. Normally I'd be a medium. The medium large is way too huge on me. So just to give you some perspective, I'll wear these mostly with leggings. Just because they're so long. With leggings, I would just like let them be down, you know, let it be down like this. These are so soft, guys, and so comfortable, and I don't know how they do it, but they cling to the right spots and they make you look thin. So like in your belly area, you're not going to have like any pooching or anything like that. Very comfortable. Normally I don't wear anything under them, but I just have that tank under it. I may have this one. I gotta look and see if I have a white one or if I have a cream one, but I do have a couple light colors. So sad I have them that I don't even know what I have. I gotta look. I know I have a blue one, I know I have a pink one, and I don't remember my other colors. So, but here is the white. I might have this already. Actually, I think I do. Which is a shame because you get the whole box at a discount, so it may make sense for me to keep it and put one on Poshmark because it may be cheaper if I do want to keep the rest of it, just to keep this, even though it'll be a repeat, I can put one up on Poshmark. So also I did keep that other, if you watch my Stitch Fix, I did keep the new gray blazer, and the old gray blazer, if you love that, is going up on Poshmark. I think it's been worn once, so I'll put my Poshmark closet below too. But here we go. Great little top, great little comfy cozy sweater for cold days in. Okay, here is the little flutter sleeve top. I always think the flutter sleeves are super cute. It does come kind of, you know, comes up like back there low, but it's not too low there. It's very modest. It has these like fabric, individual fabric buttons, and then of course it ties at the waist, which I really think that that takes a dressy top like this that I would probably use for work. When it's tied at the middle, makes it more casual for me. So I would pair this with a pair of jean shorts, white leg capri jeans, or white jean shorts. I think would be really cute with this. But I think I probably would not wear this to work because I feel like this makes it, the tie makes it too casual. If it was just a solid blouse, I would absolutely wear this to work. So, but it's cute. It's still very cute, and it's a dark color. Is it navy? Yeah, it's navy. And then it has all these beautiful little colors. And even this looks nice because it's got like the green in it, kind of picks up in the turquoise. So it's nice. And here you can see like the way that the buttons are. Did one just come undone? No. So they're each like, they're fabric. I can show them to you. They're like little fabric and they're connected. So really nice. Okay, so one more final look at this little top. All right, and I have one more outfit to show you. Okay, guys, I'm almost 100% positive that I have this upstairs. I know I have it in gray. Pretty sure that I got it from Fabfitfun as well. It is a black surplice top. It's like a little wrap deal here. Very cute, very cozy when you first put it on, but they shrunk a little, and I don't wear the two that I have because of that, so I would not buy another one of these unless it was like 1 to 2 sizes larger because they shrink. The skirt fit over my hips. Hallelujah, I couldn't believe it, but I'm gonna back up. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel tight here, but I feel like when I turn around, like, I mean, I got plenty of room in here, but I feel like when I turn around, it's tight on my butt. I can feel that my panty lines are showing. I think I have a dark underwear on, and you're probably gonna see it. So there. Anyway, there's what the butt looks like. You would have to wear no-show or some shapewear with this to smooth out, because while these silk items are beautiful, these midi skirts, they do show all the lumps and bumps. If you are prone to cellulite or something like that, then you have to worry about that as well. And the other thing that I'm noticing here for me, because my hips are so wide, there's a little pulling. And granted, like I'm saying, it's not really tight, but there's pulling right here because my hips are so big. So what I would probably do with this is go up a size if I wanted to keep it. I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I don't know. You guys tell me, is it worth going up a size? Because it's awfully pretty, and I can see this being absolutely stunning for the springtime. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this, the skirt, if maybe I sized up one to a large in here. Okay, so I'm gonna get back in my own clothes, and then we are gonna go over the prices because somehow this entire box is only $88. I don't know how she did it, so let's find out. Okay guys, so what Whitney said is she said, welcome back to Fabfitfun Style and Happy New Year. Start this year off right as the whole entire box is on sale. So that's why the prices are low. So let's go through. So I still have on this gorgeous necklace. Let's take a look at that first. So it was originally $18. It dropped down to $10.80, weird price. It was 40% off. And if I buy all, it's only $8.10. I would absolutely pay $8 or $10 for this. So I may keep this regardless. I think it is a beautiful, stunning piece. So that's a great, great item. So the surplice top that I just had on was originally $46. It's on sale for $27.60. Great price even there. And then if you keep it all, it's on sale for $20.70. So there's that. But I already have that. The skirt was originally $56. It is on sale for $28. Again, great price. And if I keep all of the items, it's on sale for $21. But I won't be keeping all because I'm pretty sure I have two. I have that black one and I have this Dreamers one. The Dreamers, these are usually $45 to $50. $44 was the original price. It's 30% off at $30.80. And if you buy all, you get it for $23.10, which is over 50% off, which is a great deal for the Dreamers sweater. So maybe you guys can, if you request a box, request some of these sale items that they're now selling, which is fabulous. All right, so this little top here is the Tania Flutter sleeve top in a medium and navy. It was originally, oh, this is not on sale. So the full price of this is only $19. It's regular price is $19. This must be one of their brands. And if you keep it all, it's $14.25. Great buy for that. All right, so then we have the black Everything Sticks to It cardigan. This is called the Avalon Drape Front Thermal Cardigan. It was $48. It is now 40% off and only $28.80. If you keep everything, it is on sale for $21.60, making the entire box $145. If you keep it all, you get an extra $36.25 off, and then you get your $20 styling fee off, making the entire box only $88.75 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Not bad, not bad. I may see if they have that lavender midi skirt in a large because it's $28. I really do like it. That's really all I'm super excited about in the necklace, but let me know if there's other things in here because this is a great buy, this box right now. I'm super excited that Fabfitfun is starting to send us sale items. The only other company, well, Nordstrom does that sometimes. In fact, Maddie, my stylist, did that in my last box, which was great, and I kept more items. And then Trendsend also sends you sale items. So super, super excited that they are getting on the sale trend train. So very, very cute stuff. Love it, except I just have, like I said, I have 2 of the items already, so that's the only thing that's kind of a bummer because I miss out on keeping the items that I would really, you know, like for $88, that would be a great deal to keep all 6 items. Whatever 6 divided into 88 is how much each piece is, so under $20 a piece, and probably closer to like $16 a piece ish. Or that's a great deal. Great deal. Those are the kind of bargain hunts you can go find out there too, which if you do shopping, but to have them delivered, even better. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Did you love anything? Did you hate anything? If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. I guess if you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Whatever you want to do. I do hope that you'll subscribe and join our little tribe. We do beauty and fashion over here and some lifestyle. So lots coming up this weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.